Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a fantastic chatbot where it is having different types of options, especially related with academics. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI chatbot with some research prompts on how it will work out for our research paper writing. So an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy as sources. So in this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy as that is renewable energy as our input sources, and then we are going to implement maximum power point tracking technique in both of them to grasp maximum amount of energy from them, and then we are going to connect it with grid, and then we are going to connect it with the EV charging station. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI chatbot, what we are going to discuss is that Perplexica.io. So here you can see that this is the dashboard of this Perplexica.io AI tool. So here there is a caption called research begins here. So yes, you can ask anything, that is you can give any input prompt whatever you want. Then AI chatbot will generate answer for you. It is powered by Copilot. So here the important thing is that you will be having different types of options. So here you can see that for all searches across all of the internet. Next, academic, search in published and that is academic papers. Next, writing chat without searching the web. Next, Wolfram Alpha, computational knowledge engine. Next, search and watch videos. Next, Reddit, search for discussions and opinions. So these are the different options are available in this AI chatbot. It's a unique thing present in this kind of AI chatbot. So where you can that is you can collect data for your research paper and do it better using this Perplexica.io. So first I am going to select academics. So just click on academic. So in this academic I am going to give a topic, that is a machine learning. So before that, sign in. So after that you can give input prompt. Yes. So select academic. So now you can give input prompt, machine learning algorithms for power management. So like that I am going to give an input. So let us see how it will works out. So here I have given that from research papers it has to collect the data. So here you can see that when it comes to utilizing machine learning algorithms for power management, there are several approaches and techniques that have been explored in academic research and industry applications. Here some of the key points regarding machine learning algorithms for power management. So this is the general data you can get, predictive, maintenance, anomaly, like that you can general paper again, but the references is not generated. So here it won't give references till the model has to develop even better. So let us explore with some other topic. So we are going to do the same with some other topic. So go on and select academics again. So here I am going to select academics. So in this I am going to give boost converter. So like that I am going to give boost converter. So let us see how it will works out. So a boost converter is a type of DC to DC converter that steps up the input voltage to higher voltage. So it is giving a general concept of boost converter alone. So it is not generating references, or it is not generating what are the sources, where the sources has been it is taken. So like that it is not generating. So it is generating a normal data as like a normal AI chatbot will do. Next, here you will be having option called rewrite. Let us explore this option, rewrite. So here the content is rewritten. So here you can see. So after that you can ask what are the questions you want related to that particular content we have generated. How does a boost converter work in electronic devices? What are the key components of a boost converter? Can you explain the efficiency factors of boost converter? What are some common applications of boost converter? So these are the things can be asked. For example, if you want answer for this question, can you explain the efficiency factors of boost converter? So just to click on the option. So it will generate answer for you. So boost converter efficiency can be influenced by various factors. So here you can see that Here are the key efficiency factors of boost converters based on search results. So switching frequency, component selection, circuit design, load characteristics, control strategy and losses. So this is how the content is generated using this academic option. So but the important thing is that it is not analyzing. So here it's showing the sources also. So here you can see these are the sources 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So these are the sources. So here from this you can get an idea. So where it is taken, that is 2-stage boost inverter for wave energy correction. So like that you can find sources, but it is not generating it as a references, it is generating it as a common word called sources. In the sources you can find where the data has been taken, where it is cited. For example, here you can see all the data can be taken from this number 1 option. So here you can go on and click that is number 1, that is design of non-inverting buck boost converter for electronic ballast compatible with LED drivers. So from this archive that is the content are taken. So you can make use of this chatbot to generate better content for your research paper. Next again I am going to home now. So in this what I am going to do is, so go back again. So we will select some other topic. So thereby you can get an idea how this AI chatbot will generating content for us. So here you can give instead of academic you can give writing. So in this writing, so you can ask anything with the AI chatbot. So whatever the input prompt you are giving, it will generate answer for you. So for example, explain about the various machine learning algorithms and its applications. So like that you can give an input. So let us see how it will generate content for us. Yes, the types of machine learning algorithms are generated here. So here you can see that the content is generated by this chatbot. Machine learning algorithms are used in variety of applications across different industries: linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, random forest, support vector machine, k-means clustering, neural networks, etc. So this is how the content is generated here. So again go back. So next you can see that, so it is logged out again. So here you can see the next option is that YouTube. So you can search and watch YouTube videos also using this that is chatbot. So just I am going to click YouTube. So in this YouTube I am going to give an input that is renewable energy, like that I am going to give an input. So in this you can see, so the videos related with the renewable energy will be generated here. So here you can see that, so these are the different videos related with renewable energy. So you can view in videos also. So here you can show that, see that what is renewable energy decomplicated. So like that you can get the details of renewable energy also. So like that you can make use of this AI chatbot to collect data for your research work, and then you can formulate that research statement, etc. for your research paper writing. So like that you can use different options in this particular Perplexity AI to generate a better content for your research paper. And the important thing is that you can collect all the data related with your research work using this chatbot. So make use of this option in this chatbot and make your research paper writing simple. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.